X and y are in the domain of the function g, and g of x is greater than g of y. Which of the following must be true? So whenever we see g of, that means we're talking about y values. So it's basically saying this y value is bigger than this one. So this is the bigger one. This is the smaller one. So it's saying that the x values have to be equal to one another. And that doesn't, or the x and the y have to be equal to one another for one to be bigger. That obviously can't be true, because if they were equal to one another, then these values would be equal. So that cannot be true. That's false. Same thing if they both equaled 0. That would be like saying, hey, they're both, g of 0 is greater than g of 0. They can't be strictly greater. They'd have to be equal to. So I know that that one is also false. It's saying that x is greater than y. Well, I don't really know what x and y are. So it might not matter, because let's say if x was something bigger than y. So g of 2, we're saying it's greater than g of 1. But I don't really know what g of 2 and g of 1 are, so I can't tell you that that's for sure true. It may be true, but it also may not be true. So I cannot guarantee that it's true. So that one's false. So that one's also out. And the same goes for this one. It doesn't really matter if I throw an equal sign under there. I still can't guarantee that g of 2 is bigger than g of 1. So it could be, maybe, but it's not must be true. So that's false as well. So x does not equal y. That I pretty much can guarantee is true, because I know that if it's equal to y, it's got to be false. So this is the only one that turns out to be true.